Circus. What's your name, man?
Alright, you owe me a quarter.
Yeah, I owe you a quarter. Oh, I'm following, trying to switch the phone. What's your name?
I can't tell my name in case somebody falls and gets hurt.
Where you from? I'm trying to get your business, man.
I ain't got no business.
It's Safari.
I got nothing to do. I'm 75 years old.
75 years old, having fun.
I got nothing. I got 8 girlfriends. What you talking about?
You got what?
I did have 3 girlfriends at a 6-pack, but now I got a whole damn case.
I'm two-wheel drive. I'm running last. I'll run last.
All right, so you're going to go second. That found
Sounds
you.
good.
So, 1, 2, 3. All right, in order. Awesome. Cool. So,
In order.
when forward momentum stops, you know the rules. You ever been in a bounty
You
hole?
can back up one time.
I'll give you 1 reverse. Hey, you know what? There ain't nobody here.
Right.
I'll give you 2 reverses. Is that fair with y'all? 2 reverses.
Yeah.
That's just.
When I stop moving forward, I don't want to break nothing, so I'll just say, come get me.
Just
Yeah, that's
hey,
what
when
I'm
you're
gonna do. I
done, when
ain't
you decide you're
gonna
done, or
backing up.
if you hit a time limit, like I'm gonna set a time limit like 3 minutes.
Yeah.
So if you see me walking down to you, waving my clipboard, shut it off.
Okay.
But I mean, if you're still moving,
If I'm still creeping along.
I'm gonna let you go.
If there's enough room,
So we got
to
we got time. We got a big rope. You got a big hook. You
Yeah, I
got a
put a hook
hook
on
You
the
got
back.
something. We're
Yeah.
good. So just
So we got 3 small tire,
that
1
would be
mega
this
truck.
one right here.
that's long enough.
I don't know his name, but it's
Steve.
Steve.
Steve, I was just going to say the way my hook is on the back of that Blazer, I don't know if I'm back there. I'll probably get out, but I'll hook it up. But anyways,
So we're gonna hook it to you, and you're gonna drag the rope in.
Okay, perfect.
That way, all we gotta do is reach out to Traco, pick it up,
Yeah.
hook it up to Traco
Kenny.
bucket, pull you out.
What's your name again, man?
Seth.
Seth. Yeah, you raced here plenty, ain't you?
Alright,
yeah,
so-
I've been out here quite a bit.
Run an order, Kenny. We're ready when you are, buddy.
What's your name, man?
Charlie Brown.
Charlie Brown?
Yep.
All right, you in the small tower, right?
Yes,
Good
sir.
luck.
If we have to.
Where you from?
I don't.
Lafayette, Louisiana.
All the way from Louisiana. You ran? Did you run into
Should be able to reach them.
rock bouncing
That
force?
are that far. If they
Or
get
no, that
very
wasn't
far,
you?
No, that wasn't me.
we'll just
Okay.
Go down around everybody.
Man up here getting coached by Billy Knox.
Bring it right here. Because if they get far enough,
What's your name, man?
Lewis Calhoun.
Louis Calhoun. Nice to meet you, Arkansas Jeff. Where you from?
Batesville, Arkansas.
And you're the only one with the mega truck today. And that's yours back there, right?
Yeah.
All right. Well, I say good luck, but you already won it. But put on a heck of a show. I believe that's Kenny. Y'all started while I was on the other end trying to clear out space. But don't look like they're going to make it this far. Yeah. I'm willing to bet they don't make it that far.
Solid start.
I didn't catch it. I was clearing traffic.
He was clearing traffic. He didn't get to see the footage, but I still think it was a good little solid run. I don't think anybody else can make it further. Yeah, I think.
Yeah, it's a lot worse than what they thought, huh?
Yeah.
Just by looking at it.
I mean, that's probably from that stuff that they drove in mud day. It's just soft underneath it.
You got 2 reversed. I don't think it's gonna do anything for you.
Yeah.
His bumper actually stuck further than yours though, so he. No, I'm joking with you. Now, this truck ain't even going nowhere because it's two-wheel drive. At least that's what he claims. It was in the tug of war last night. He went the wrong direction.
You didn't make it further than the other one. By that much. Hey, I'm looking at it.
Hey, does that count as his second reverse? What's your name, man?
Eli.
Eli.
Nice to meet you.
Where you from?
Arkansas.
Arkansas. That's where. Represent Arkansas. That's good. There we go. At least we're gonna send the show. I think you went the furthest of the mega trucks.
First time I run out of time.
That's a rock problem.
That's a work.
Yeah, no, it looks good.
Next year, if you'll make it like that, I'll try to jump for it.
Charlie Brown.
We've been following.
Lewis. Come here too, buddy. So the truck winner, 40 down, Charlie Brown.
Charlie Brown.
In there, and he worked for that little bit. He beat the guy by 3 inches. I mean, that was epic. And I want to do a shout out to Kenny for throwing his rock bouncer in there. He didn't have to. He just did it for show, and I do appreciate that. Thank you very much. 40 and down class. Here's your money,
Thank you, sir.
Look at that. And we got Lewis coming in here with the big bad Blazer. He got the mega truck hole. He went, I'd say, a good 2/3 of the way through the hole. I think he did a real good job. It just didn't have quite enough engine for the tires, but it will be up there next year.
We'll fix it, promise.
Didn't you make it through that before at one time?
I ain't never been here. It's first
Okay.
time.
Anything you guys have to say to future drivers for coming to this?
Come
Gonna
on
have
out.
a good
man.
time.
Yeah, come on out.
I
Don't
mean,
be
it wasn't
scared to
that
do
bad,
it. Throw it in there and I'll pull you out.
but he wasn't even
Exactly.
gonna do it, right?
No, I was back and forth. Glad I got out.
All about fun, meet new people. That's it.
I appreciate it, guys. Thank you
Appreciate
very
it.
much.